Hi, this is Risa and welcome back to my kit review series. In this video, I'll be reviewing a silk ribbon embroidery scissor holder and needle minder kit by one of my favorite designers, Lorna Bateman. This kit is available on her Etsy store, link for which is provided in the description below. Let's begin. All of Lorna Bateman's kits come beautifully packaged. As you can see here, she sends her kit in a beautiful paper bag with a gorgeous image of the kit itself. Let me take out what's in the bag. So we have the kit here and the actual spool for the scissor holder. I'm going to open up the bag of goodies here first to see what it includes. So first off, gorgeous river silk ribbons here in two pink shades and green, some floss and a button. A packet that includes the needles, and Lorna Bateman usually includes chenille needles for ribbon embroidery. So here we go, and some floss for the bees in the pattern. And here are the chenille needles, number 20 essentially for the ribbon, and some tapestry needle. And then we have a magnetic sort of button that we will use for the needle minder. She's included two pieces of fabric, and the first one I am opening is the one for the scissor holder. And you can see it's sufficient fabric. She has the pattern printed on it. And let me just take out the spool for the scissor holder, and you'll see that the pattern just about fits in the spool. And one thing to note is that Norna includes muslin cloth with all of her kits, which is perfect. And it also comes with a little piece for the back of the little scissor holder band. And here is the other piece of fabric for the needle minder, and it also includes a backing fabric of muslin. And what I like about her kits are all of her fabrics are finished off or serged so that they don't fray while you're working on your piece of embroidery. I simply love the detail and care that Lorna puts into putting her kit together. Now here are the instructions. This one is for the scissor holder here, and the instruction essentially starts with a list of materials that's included in the kit, and then it has a glossary of the stitches that you will need to complete this ribbon embroidery piece, and assembly instructions for the scissor band itself. And I'm going to show you how to put it all together in my stitch along video that comes along with all of my kit reviews. Now, the second set of instructions are for the needle minder. Again, it covers most of the other stitches like in the previous instruction. And here are the assembly instructions for the needle minder, which again I will show in my stitch along video. And the third set of instructions are essentially a stitch glossary of some of the basic ribbon embroidery stitches, which I like to keep for some of my own projects. And of course, a nice set of images for you to be able to refer to while working on the kit. Here's a sneak peek of my stitch along video, which you can watch by clicking on the link above. I found the kit to be completely simple to do. It's a great beginner's kit, especially for those just starting out with ribbon embroidery. I hope this kit review was useful to you. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like, and notification buttons to watch more of my videos. See you again next time. Bye bye.